Job order contracting is the fast lane to getting jobs done.
Absolutely. We can handle that with JOC.
Yeah, JOC would be the best to get that done.
Yeah, we could do that with JOC.
It's built for speed, made for flexibility, for when you need to hit the ground running on your timeline at your scale. With traditional procurement, you're stuck waiting, sometimes months just to get started. With JOC, you're up and running in weeks. Think of it as a design-build light. Tell us your idea, and we not only give you what you ask for, we give you what you need. Any job, any size. JOC's got it covered. So,
whatever you need done, we can do it.
And no matter where you're located, you get the same nationwide Paschen team. We've done it all. This library, a JOC job. Those parks, JOC jobs too. Projects as big as a bridge or as small as a boardwalk. With decades of work done right, we've earned our place as the premier JOC contractor in the country. Locally trusted, nationally recognized.